How to unlock affiliate marketing secret. So, strategies for direct traffic to your link. So, first thing, guys, hello and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to focus on the key selling point for affiliate marketing. Of course, the first step you have to do is create an account on Amazon Associate. You can just search for Amazon program, affiliate program, or Amazon Associate, sign it up on a free account, follow those steps, and enter all your informations. And here you go. You opened an account. Then I showed you before how to do that step by step on a video. And then you can open you can find trending product, and this is the point I want to focus on these videos. First thing, you have to focus on the key selling point, which is to find the trending product. You can use a lot of strategies. The first one is you can try to search for upcoming shopping events. What is this? So upcoming shopping events is basically you just search for like the upcoming events. Valentine's Day, now we are on Valentine's Day, so upcoming events. After that, we have Mother's Day, Father's Day. You can search for the gifts that you can promote on Amazon to your social media accounts or blog or whatever the um, space you are promoting the link in. For example, I'm using TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram. You can use wherever you want. And then you can search for those events, search for the products that are going viral on those events, and start posting product for those events. Also, another thing, you can just search for trending product, which is, let's say you are here now, you have this page. Once you scroll down, you'll find this one, which is this product are selling fast. This is a method. For example, you will find here something like, here you have electronics category, here you have for example here movers, and here we have some home products, here we have clothing, wherever, sports. Each category has some products. Now you will find a lot of products that you can browse through. Now, to find the trending product, I use TikTok made me buy it method, which is you go to TikTok and then you can just search for the TikTok made me buy it, and you can add the year or add the month. So what does that mean? This help you if you are doing affiliate marketing or drop shipping. So they give you the best products that are going viral or bestseller product, and then you can search for the top views videos. You have to now to focus on the key selling points, which is views, sellers, price, solving problem, a lot of things. First thing, you have to find products that are going viral. You can search on those videos and go to comments, see if people are interested in that product. Are they asking, where can I get that product from? Just keep scrolling, give some time to search here. If you found the product here, then you can go to Amazon. So, for example, I found this product. Now, if I want to sell this product or promote this product with the link, I have to focus on views, sales, price. You will find, once you search for the specific product, you will find a lot of products, the same product, but you will find a lot. You have to focus on the sales, the price, and choose the best one. So, for example, I choose this one, has the best sales, a lot of sales, price, everything is good. Now, also, once you are searching for the product, how about searching for product that solving some problems? Focus on the benefit of the product, the service of the product. So once you are promoting this product, for example, this product solve a lot of problems. Like you see here, it's so it has a lot of benefits. Like you see here, they saying like this product handle um so much. And like you see here, a lot of videos of this product, you can use it on your fridge, a lot of thing videos. Now, once you're promoting this product, open social media accounts like TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, social media accounts, or where you are going to promote this product. Then you have to search for videos and high quality images of this product. So, high quality images, just go to your Pinterest, search for the name of the product, go to TikTok, search for the name of the product, download TikTok without watermark, just go to Google and tap search for TikTok downloader without watermark, tap paste the link of the video of the TikTok video and download it. Also on Pinterest, just upload the picture of the product. Then go to Canva. You can edit those pictures, also those videos, and start promoting those on your social media accounts. And once you are editing those videos, focus on the problem that this product solves. So you can now lead traffic to the link. Once you go with some quality and quantity videos on your social media accounts or wherever you are promoting the product, where focus on trending music or trending reels or TikToks or voiceover where you are talking about the solving problem. Also use some hashtags and reach them, like to reach the right audience you have to use some hashtags about the product, and then you have to lead the traffic to the link by a good caption or description or a voiceover. We are describing this product. You can use ChatGPT to give you the informations about this product, and then you can just record a voice about this product or just do a caption, a good caption. Put the link on your social media accounts. For example, if you are on Pinterest, you can put the link on every post. But if you are on TikTok or Instagram, just put the link on the bio, and here you go. And focus on these steps about upcoming shopping events. TikTok made me buy it, or some best selling products. Focus on the views, sellers, price, and the solver problems. And here you go. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video, and see you guys on the next video.